Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Do you want to visit London? Okay, then let's go together in this video. In this video, you will experience the charm of sightseeing in London through a slow and easy English story. Don't worry if you're a beginner. I speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer while watching the video. Writing your answer in English is a great way to improve your English skills. So here is today's question. How does Ken feel when he arrives in London? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in the comments section. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
Ellie, we are finally here. We are in London.
Yes, we are. Welcome to London, Ken. How do you feel?
I feel excited, but also a little nervous. This is my first time in England.
That is completely normal. Everyone feels that way in a new country.
The airport is so big. There are so many people here.
London has several airports. This is one of the biggest ones.
Several airports? That is amazing. This city must be very big.
It is. London is the capital of England and one of the largest cities in Europe.
I can see many different languages on the signs, and I hear many different languages too.
People from all over the world visit London. Millions of tourists come here every year.
That makes me feel a little better. I am not the only foreigner here.
Not at all. London is very used to visitors. People here are friendly to tourists.
That is good to hear. I was worried that people might be too busy to help me.
No, not at all. London is a busy city, but people are usually happy to help if you ask politely.
And everyone speaks English here, right?
Yes, of course. This is where the English language began. You will be fine.
Where English began. I like the sound of that. It feels safe somehow.
You can practice your English every day here. Everyone will understand you.
That is exactly what I need. Real practice with real people.
Let's take the train to the city center. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Let's go and explore this amazing city.
That is the right attitude. You are going to love it here.
Wow, Ellie, look at this street. It is beautiful.
I am glad you like it. London has many beautiful streets like this one.
The buildings look so old, but in a good way. They have a lot of history.
Yes, many buildings here are hundreds of years old. But look over there.
Oh, a very modern glass building. It is right next to an old church.
That is London. Old and new standing side by side. History meets the future here.
I really like that. It is interesting to see both together.
Each area of London has a different feeling. Some areas are very old, others are very modern.
So if I walk around, I can see many different faces of the city.
Exactly. Walking is one of the best ways to enjoy London.
I feel like just walking is already a kind of sightseeing.
It is. Many tourists spend the whole day just walking and looking around.
The streets are so clean, and there are many beautiful parks in this area.
London has many green spaces. People here love their parks.
I can see families having picnics and people walking their dogs.
Yes, parks are a big part of life in London. People come here to relax and enjoy nature.
Even in such a big city, there is so much green. I did not expect that.
That is one of the nice surprises about London. It feels like a city and a garden at the same time.
I want to walk more. Can we keep going?
Of course. Let me show you something very special.
Is that Big Ben?
Yes, it is. The famous Big Ben. What do you think?
It is incredible. I have seen this so many times in pictures and movies, but now it is real.
It feels different when you see it with your own eyes, doesn't it?
Yes, very different. It is bigger than I imagined and more beautiful.
Here's a fun fact. Big Ben is actually the name of the bell inside the tower, not the tower itself.
Really? I did not know that. Everyone calls the whole thing Big Ben.
I know, but now you know the truth.
I will remember that. It is a good story to tell my friends back home.
Yes, they will be impressed by your knowledge.
And that big building next to it, what is that?
That is the Parliament building. It is where the country's leaders meet to make laws.
So Big Ben in Parliament are together. That is the picture I always see.
Yes, they are right next to the River Thames. Can you see the river?
Yes, I can see it. The river is so wide, and there are many bridges.
The Thames flows through the center of London. There are more than 30 bridges across it.
30 bridges? That is a lot. I want to walk across one later.
We can do that. There are beautiful views from the bridges.
I can see boats on the river too. Are those for tourists?
Yes, some of them are. You can take a boat ride along the Thames. It's a nice way to see the city from the water.
That sounds wonderful. Maybe we can do that tomorrow.
Good idea. There's so much to do here.
This is like a dream. Everything I imagined is here, right in front of me. Ellie, look at that bus. It is red and has 2 floors.
That is a double-decker bus. They are very famous in London.
Can we ride one? I want to sit on the top floor.
Of course. The top floor has the best views. Let's get on this one.
This is so exciting. I can see everything from up here.
The regular city buses are a great way to travel around London, and the views from the top are nice too.
The bus is moving slowly, so I can take pictures easily.
Yes, that is a nice bonus. By the way, there are also special sightseeing buses for tourists.
Oh, really? How are they different from this bus?
The sightseeing buses are called hop-on, hop-off buses. You buy one ticket and you can get on and get off all day.
So I can stop at a famous place, look around, and then catch the next bus?
Exactly. The sightseeing buses stop at all the popular tourist spots. Very convenient for visitors.
That sounds useful. Maybe I will try that another day.
It is a good choice for your first visit, but today let's use the regular bus and the tube.
Look at all the people on the streets. Everyone looks so busy.
London is a busy city. People are always going somewhere.
But from up here, I can watch everything without being in the crowd.
That is why the top of the bus is so popular. It's like a moving observation deck.
This is wonderful. But Ellie, what if we want to go faster?
Then we take the underground train. Let's get off here and go down.
Underground train? You mean the subway?
In America, they say subway, but in London, we call it the tube.
The tube? That is a funny name. Why is it called that?
Because the tunnels are shaped like tubes. They are round tunnels.
That makes sense. Is the tube easy to use?
Very easy. London's public transportation is very good and easy to use. Buses, trains, everything connects well.
That is good to know. I was worried about getting lost.
The signs are very clear. Just follow the colors and the names. Each line has a different color.
Oh, like a rainbow. That is easy to remember.
Exactly, and there are maps in many places to help you.
Oh, one more thing. Is the tube old?
Yes, very old. It is one of the oldest underground railways in the world.
Wow, history is in many parts of this city.
It is. Now, let's go inside. And remember, people are usually quiet on the train.
Got it. I will be quiet too. I do not want to bother anyone.
You are very thoughtful. People will appreciate that.
Here we are, a nice little cafe. Would you like to rest for a while?
Yes, please. I am a little tired from all the walking, and I am thirsty.
London has so many cafes. You can find one on almost every street.
That is convenient. What should I order? Coffee or tea?
Well, London is known for coffee culture now, but tea is traditional.
I think I want to try English tea, when in London, right?
That is a wonderful choice. Very London of you.
How do British people usually drink their tea?
Most people add milk. Milk tea is very popular here.
I see. I will try it with milk then. I usually drink green tea in Japan, so this will be different.
Yes, it is quite different. British tea is usually black tea, and the milk makes it smooth and creamy.
That sounds nice. I'm looking forward to trying it.
Have you heard of afternoon tea?
Yes, I have. It is tea with small sandwiches and cakes, right?
Exactly. It is a British tradition. Many hotels and cafes offer it.
Maybe we can try that another day. It sounds like a special experience.
It is. People dress up nicely and spend hours enjoying tea and snacks.
That sounds very elegant. I would like to try that before we leave.
We should do that. By the way, are you hungry?
A little. What kind of food can I find in London?
Many kinds. London has food from all over the world: Japanese, Indian, Italian, and many more.
That is great. I like trying different foods when I travel.
Also, many restaurants have vegetarian options. It is very common here.
That is very thoughtful. One question. Do I need to tip here?
Tipping is not required in London. It is your choice. But sometimes a service charge is already included in the bill.
Oh, I see. So I should check the bill first.
Yes, that is a good idea. If the service charge is included, you do not need to add more.
That is different from America. Good to know. I was not sure about the rules here.
The rules are simple. Just check the bill and pay. No pressure to add more.
And what about water? Should I order it?
If you want water, you can ask for tap water. It is usually free. Just say, "Can I have some tap water, please?"
Free water. That is nice. Thank you for telling me all these things.
You are welcome. These small things make traveling easier.
You are right. I feel more confident now.
Ellie, this park is so peaceful. What is it called?
This is Hyde Park. It is one of the most famous parks in London.
It is beautiful. A perfect place to relax after a long day.
People come here to walk, run, or just sit and enjoy the view.
I can understand why. It feels so calm here, even though we are in a big city.
How are you feeling now? Still nervous about being in London?
Actually, no. I feel much more relaxed now. This city is easier than I thought.
I'm happy to hear that. What changed your mind?
Well, I was worried about speaking English here, but everyone has been kind and patient.
British people often say please and sorry a lot. It makes conversations feel polite and gentle.
I noticed that. People say excuse me and thank you so often.
It feels very respectful.
Also, people here speak English a little differently from Americans.
Yes, I notice the accent is different, but I can still understand most things.
The differences are small. American English works perfectly fine here.
That is a relief. I was worried my English might not be good enough.
Your English is great, Ken, and people here are very understanding.
I also notice that people wait in line very nicely. Nobody pushes.
Yes, queuing is very important in British culture. Always wait your turn.
I like that. It feels very orderly and fair.
If you ever skip the line by accident, just say sorry and go to the back. People will understand.
Good to know. I will be careful about that. What else did you notice about the people here?
They like to talk about the weather. Someone mentioned the rain to me earlier.
Yes, weather is the #1 topic for small talk in England. That is easy. I can talk about the weather. It's a safe topic.
Exactly. If you ever need to start a conversation, just say something about the weather.
Like, nice day today, isn't it? Or, looks like rain later.
Perfect. You sound like a local already.
Thank you. I'm trying my best.
See, you're already learning the culture. You'll fit in perfectly.
I was so nervous this morning, but now I feel like London is a friendly place.
It is. London is a big city, but it has a calm and welcoming feel.
People give each other space, but they are not cold.
That's a good way to describe it. People here respect personal space, but they are not cold.
I think I can enjoy the rest of this trip. Thank you for helping me, Ellie.
You do not need to thank me. You did great today. Just keep being yourself.
I learned so much today about the city, the culture, and the language.
And this is only the first day. There's so much more to see and do.
I cannot wait. London, here I come.
That's the spirit. Now let's watch the sunset and rest. Tomorrow will be another wonderful day.
Yes, another wonderful day in London. I am so glad I came here.
And I'm glad you're enjoying it. This trip will be one you'll never forget.
I believe that. Thank you, Ellie. Thank you, London.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed this slow and easy English story. Now, let me ask today's question one more time. How does Ken feel when he arrives in London? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you catch it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. Every time, many people share their answers, so please feel free to join and comment too. Even one short sentence is perfectly fine. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English to help you practice listening and feel more confident using English. By the way, I also have a membership option on this channel. Becoming a member is a way to support this channel and help me continue making content like this. If you enjoy learning English here and would like to support the channel, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.